Hello to all my friends out there. So I want a nice little party, but I don't want to spend much money. So I bought tuna at Grocery Outlet. This is good. I love it. And I squeezed all the moisture out of my tuna. Then I saturated my tuna with lime juice, and then I sprinkled a goodly amount of lemon pepper, and I mixed that up good with the tuna. Okay, then I made a little dressing, Miracle Whip, but I went a little bit heavy on the mustard and a little bit heavy on the Tabasco, and I mixed that up good. So this is how I made my crackers and tuna for my party. Okay, and I have olives, and I always have tomatoes in my stockpile, and this is a cheese I bought from Dollar Tree. So I have a nice little party platter there, and it was cheap too. And the tuna was buy one get one free. So, and the crackers were $1. Let me give you a shot of the tuna. Okay, this is good. This is really good. Okay, now I wanted to make a pina colada smoothie. Okay, I took 4 tablespoons coconut, and I ground that to a powder in my blender, and I removed it. Then I had frozen pineapple, and I put frozen pineapple, and then in the same container I put my almond milk. Okay, you could add soy milk, you could add coconut milk would be good. For like anything like a pina colada, it's pineapple and coconut. Then, since mine's a smoothie, I added 1 yogurt, and then I'm surprised my blender could actually handle heavy-duty blending like that, but it did. And I added a little more almond milk to get it to the consistency I wanted, and then I topped it with some toasted coconut. Okay, if it was an adult party, you could add alcohol to the pina colada smoothie. Okay, you guys, I'm having another little party, and it's gonna be dry rub chicken and salad. So God bless you all.